The difference between mechanical, electronic and digital key systems, if you had to choose one layer, which would you choose?
Well, the answer to that is a layered approach is always going to be appropriate. But then again, I look at something. Would I put electronic locks on a naval ship floating around in the ocean? Most probably not. But then I look at a utility or a mobile phone tower servicing large geographic areas, a hybrid system where you've got the best of mechanical and electronic. So electromechanical key systems could be the approach. But then I look at the entry to a 50-storey building. Keys are not the solution to the front door there. Access control is, so a proximity style system or whatever. So I think horses for courses, there is no one solution, but definitely a really, really dirty environment that's going underwater. Mechanical's most probably best. I think the front of our office tower and electronic solutions most probably best.
I suppose on that as well, in terms of maintenance and longevity, a key system would have the lowest level of maintenance and the highest level of longevity. Would that be an accurate statement?
It depends on the environment, but yes, I think the biggest risk to a mechanical key system is lost keys.
Yeah.
And lack of tracking of keys by the system owner. That's the beauty of access control. You lose a card, you can delete it. You can't do that with a mechanical master key system, but two very different price points.